Hey, Dana here, and welcome to my vlog. I want to thank the 3,500 subscribers now over the past 9 years for joining my channel. I currently have 3,900 videos out. The thing is, I'm just an ordinary YouTuber, somebody that started this just to keep track of what I do, and then hoping to the point where I could start, making money on stuff that I did around the house. For you that want to do the exact same thing, it's simple as picking up a camera, and there's all kinds of video cameras now. My newest camera is the DJI Pocket, not the Pocket 2, but the Pocket. And I got it on Black Friday. It was down to under $300, so I figured, oh, okay, I'll go ahead and purchase it, because the nice thing about it is it follows me. The other camera that I have been using is this one here, and this is the Osmo action camera. My backup cameras, of course, are my phones. When I first started out, I got interested in using the 360s, and this is the Samsung. This is outdated, of course. That was the updated one to this Samsung 360, and it was kind of have fallen off the way there. Another camera that I was using, that actually you put on your lapel, use it for security, is that Vita. Again, is the VersaCam. You can actually use it Wi-Fi with your phone. You can leave it at home and do it, watch what's going on at home or in the other room or whatever you want to do. With the backups, this is the old Samsung. What is this one? This is the Android 9, and then I've just updated to the Samsung Note 20, and you got all those cameras on the back there if you need them. But you want to make things as simple as possible. Your editing, you want to make it as simple as possible. I've been using the Corel for 4 or 5 years now. Actually, the one I'm using right now is the Corel 10. Still, they're already up to they're on 21. I went to upgrade to the 20, and things just fell apart, and I still haven't been able to get it back up. For that, I was using the Windows editor as well, and I kind of like that one, but I'll get it on my new computer. As far as starting your YouTube channel, just think about stuff that you do around the house. Think about your hobbies, or in your job, and then just concentrate on that type of video in a training mode. Your hobby doing the exact same thing. If you're new to my channel, I'm a do-it-myselfer. I've got 4 different vehicles that I've maintained, and now I'm going to start flipping vehicles. So I'm going to be buying broken down vehicles that I normally maintain, and then putting new parts on them, and turn around and sell them. The another side of what I do is I'm a certified drone pilot. That is because when I got into drones about 3 or 4 years ago, I thought it would be cool to put videos up of my flights. Well, come to find out, FAA has put a kibosh on that because I started making money on my channel, and you can't use aerial photography and make money on it without having your 107 license for the UAS. So I had to go through that hoop. That costs you $150 to take the test, and then if you fail a test, you got to spend another $150 to do it again. And then every 2 years you have to renew your license by taking a renewal test, and that's $150. But the good thing about as time went on with this, now I'm not sure what it's going to cost, but you no longer have to go to a FAA designated test site. You're going to be able to do it online by going to a reputable and approved FAA teaching site and take, I believe, a test with them, and they're going to sign you off. So I'm not sure if now we're getting away from the $150 to get your license. That's kind of now in the works, because it is hurting the drone. It hurts the drone community, especially as you have you're categorized in your commercial and hobbyists, and now the FAA is pushing to make the hobbyists take these tests as well. As long as you have a drone that weighs less than 250 grams, then you're allowed to fly without these regulations. So keep that in mind. Something else that I do on the side is work around the house, repair appliances, and just about anything that I have to, I don't feel like I want to buy new again. My background is I'm retired military, Navy. Jet engines was my field, as well as a part-time during Desert Shield, Desert Storm. I was a military police officer. After retiring, I went into auto repair professionally. From auto repair, I went into security as a security officer, and now I'm the owner of American Eagle Protection Service, and I am a certified security guard as well as security guard instructor. Those different, whenever I go on a job, I do put up videos. I've done a couple of concerts over the years, and I did a couple of street security jobs as well. So as those come along, I will be putting those up. The wife and I, we raise 9 Shih Tzus, and those are up there as what we when we do those on a responsibility and raising and feeding and just keeping those in my vlogs. I've just gone through prostate cancer surgery. Had my prostate removed with the robotic system. So I've put those up and keeping an update as to where I'm at with my PSE levels, and living, day to day now that I've lost my prostate. The finished building a garage out of pallet racking material, and I built it so I could put in a 4-post lift as well as a scissor lift, so I can maintain my vehicles again and turn around and sell a few. I'm now 60 years of age, and thinking that I was going to last another 2 years with my job that of course this COVID has gotten me laid off permanently after 15 years. And this was one of the reasons that I went ahead and started my security business, as well as building my garage so I could flip vehicles. That took more than half of my 401k for this year, and this is when this is being videoed, is in January of 2021. So a lot of the videos that you're starting to see is what I did during my COVID year, and what I'm going to be doing now after. Well, we're not even out of COVID yet, so I'm on my during unemployment, and I'm kind of looking. I'm kind of working part-time and deciding whether I want to go back full-time, and then once I reach 62, I'll go ahead and go back into part-time doing security, and of course I'll be flipping automobiles at the same time. And in the videos themselves, I do the videos on what I have to do to repair the vehicle. Alright, so I want to thank everybody for subscribing to my channel, and if you're looking to start a channel, you've got to find something, content that you enjoy doing and then want to share with other people. To get yourself monetized, you've got to get yourself 1,000 subscribers to start that. And most of my videos, I may get 50 or 60 views on it in a month. And once you've done, it'll always be up. It'll be up forever. If you can get to a point where you've got a large audience that are interested in your videos, then you'll of course get more and more views. None of my views do the 100,000 or 1 million. I'm not that popular. I don't know whether I will be down the road or not, but again, I've been doing this for 10 years. I have 3,500 subscribers as of January 2021, and again, I put up almost 4,000 videos, and with that, my monetization of them, I've I bring in between $180 to $240 a month on my YouTube channel. I get an average of about 1,000 views a day, and an average of two to four new subscribers every day. So thank you. And that's basically the analytics, current analytics for my dashboard as of right now. I just passed the 3,500. Right now, over the last 28 days, I've got 25,000 views. Watch times, I've got 1.1 thousand hours, and my revenue is 173. So, you know, not bad. About $5 a day, 5 to 6. So there you are. This is my trailer update, and I'll continue to put up my daily routines, and hopefully you'll continue to watch and subscribe and comment, good or bad. And so thank you again, and we'll catch you on the next Dana Crosby's Vlogs.